Disassembly of the Magpul ACS stock. This style is the ACS, I believe it's the ACS Lite, and this piece, which is the main reason folks are needing to disassemble and make the fixed buttstock, you can access this roll pin and take this piece off, so that's pretty easy. These side pieces are what needs to come off on the other one. Just a quick FYI, this roll pin here is blind, so hitting that roll pin doesn't do anything. So these are hard to take apart unless you destroy that roll pin and possibly destroy the stock doing that, or drilling that out. So I guess it's doable, just not very easy. These other ones, the regular ACSs that have this piece here and then this rubber cap on the end for AA batteries, those can be taken apart with a very minor modification. So here it is taken apart, and these pieces actually slide out the back once these rubber caps are out of the way. And you can see here they slide right into this little channel here. So once you take your buttstock off, you'll see these two little pieces, one there, one there. And then they actually have a roll pin that they drive right through here, and that holds these in and prevents them from sliding back. So the roll pin is driven in from over here into here. So you can see right here the hole for the roll pin. On this side of the buttstock, you'll see the roll pin when you take this apart, and on this side you won't see anything. This is driven in and it's blind on this side. So the modification you need to make is to drill that out just slightly, or until you see the roll pin, and once you do, you can take your punch and then drive the roll pin out, and then these will slide out. And once these are out, you can take this apart. You'll notice on this one that's assembled, this piece, you can't get to the roll pin and drive it out. So that's the reason why you may need to disassemble this, at least the reason I did. So again, the light, you can see that little roll pin. Here you can't. So that's a reason that I needed to disassemble it. Hope that helps somebody.